Hello and welcome to day 4. So these are quartiles. I know we have it split into 5 sections. Basically we have the minimum, the maximum, the quartile 1, quartile 3, our median. We have all that. But what you guys do need to know is basically each one of these is set in 25% sections. Now, how it's spread is basically how we look at the data. So, IQR, all we're doing is taking Q3, which is our quartile 3, which is this number right here, minus our quartile 1, which is this number right here. So our quartile 3 is roughly 6.5, and our quartile 1 is roughly 2.5, and when we subtract those, we get 4. Our mean, all we have to do is just look at our data. So our mean is our center of our box. So that means our mean is 4. Lowest value, it's probably 1. And we have 25% of the data is between 4 and 6.5. And that would be true. Because remember, this chunk right here is 25%. Now, if we're looking for the middle 25%, so we're looking for, that would be this lovely little chunk right here. And if I change color, let's go ahead and change it to here. This little chunk right here, that would be the middle 50%. So that would be between 2.5 and 6.5. Now we can look at some of this off the box plot and see what's not true. So I'm going to go ahead and erase some of this. That way it's a little easier to follow along. So we had 50% of the data points were between 1 and 4. So I can do 25 plus 25, and I do get 50. Highest value of the data set is 8, and that checks out. 75% of the data points were at least 2.5. So if I look here, at least means it could be 2.5 or it could be higher. That means that one also works. And it's saying only 25% of the data points is greater than 4. So if you actually look here, that is definitely more than 25%. So it's probably closer to 50%. And actually, this is a really short lesson. So if there's anything you did not finish yesterday, feel free to finish that.